Wow, it smells amazing.
It does. The spices are perfect.
I can't wait to eat.
Careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Amma.
You're welcome. Eat up.
More, please. Yeah, the best ever. I love rainy days like this. Wow, this is the best rice ever. It really is so yummy. Yeah, the curry is perfect. This is the best. Yeah, more splashes. Whee, this is fun. Woohoo, this is so much fun. Yeah, let's splash more. Race you to the house. You're on.
The curry is almost ready.
Yay, it smells so good.
Just a little longer, my dears. Oi, you three, inside before the rain claims you. This is delicious.
Yes, Grandma.
Nothing like a hot meal in the rain.
Have some more bread. Thank you.
Look, a monkey.
Careful, it's hot.
It's delicious. So good.
The rain makes everything so cozy.
Yes, Amma, and the food is so yummy. More, please.
The food is ready, everyone.
It smells so good, Mama. I'm so hungry. Me too.
Enjoy.